Hi, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services, and in this video I'd like to talk about gutter whitening, stone restoration, and deck cleaning. Behind me here we have this long gutter, and it actually has gutter screens on top of it. And so over time, stuff will run over the screens and over the front of the gutter, and it'll create black streaks. So we use a special whitening chemical to get that cleaned up and get that all rinsed off really nicely. And this deck here, we didn't use any high pressure to get it clean. It had that green algae, the mold, the mildew, and we didn't want to blast away at it with high pressure because it's very similar to like a vinyl type surface. And when you pressure wash vinyl, it doesn't handle it very well. So we applied the algicide cleaner on here, let that dwell, and then rinsed it with a high volume of water, and then spot cleaned a few difficult areas. That came out really nice. And this chimney just a moment ago was completely black and green. Got it awesome cleaned. So if you're a person in the Lake Geneva, Fontana, Williams Bay area, and you don't have, all the equipment or nor the time to, get your outdoor, area spruced up, this is what we specialize in, multi-man services. We got this deck cleaned here, whitened these two gutters up here. It really makes the curb appeal pop on these houses. So at your convenience, reach out to us. You can get an online instant quote for most of your services. If you need a custom bid, just let us know, and you can do that at multimanservices.com or give us a call at 815-520-6020. Have a great day.